Children look to their parents. Children look to their elders to understand how they're supposed to respond. And so children whose parents are managing okay are generally managing okay. And children whose parents are really stressed out are more anxious, which isn't surprising at all. I would also say that structure is important. So kids who have kind of a clear kind of routine, how they're doing things, whatever the family has arrived at, that seems to be making a big difference. What I see that seems to be most helpful for kids is when everybody becomes more aware of the fact that the child is having anxiety, hones in on it, and helps the child own their feelings and figure out what do they need to do to kind of calm themselves down. You know, that when anxiety gets out of control, it's because people feel out of control. They don't feel like they know what to do about the feeling that they're having, that there's nothing they can do. It's just a feeling kind of gone awry, gone crazy, as opposed to feeling that this is a feeling, it's something I can do something about. Kind of like, I think of it like imagining kids imagining that they have a knob on the side of their head and that they can turn the volume down or turn the light down, if you like a visual metaphor. And what do we need to do to turn it down? So this is where families engaging in yoga together, or exercising together, or meditating together, you know, doing some of these activities together that are kind of mindfulness, self-soothing activities. The more people do those kinds of things, I'm finding that that's very helpful. Mindfulness-based stress reduction seems to be a big thing right now. And that's why, because a lot of people are struggling more with stress and not really knowing how to respond as this continues on. And that having some of these tools and imparting them to children is really helpful. But mostly, children take cues from adults, and children manage when adults manage.